Hello, welcome back. So we were talking about linking documents, natural language documents, and knowledge graphs. And Refinitiv, formerly OpenCali, is a very noteworthy service because it's been around a very long time and was one of the first major commercial services for processing natural language documents and creating a knowledge graph form. You have seen in the online exercise that it creates RDF data for you. So, obviously, they're using their own URIs, their own data format. The question now is, can we do something similar with our open knowledge bases that we have, in particular DBpedia? DBpedia has information about almost everything. So it would be cool if you can just take a document and link the entities in the document to DBpedia, similarly to what I've done here. And this way, once you process the documents, a computer can understand what kind of entities it talks about, can look at relationships between entities and make conclusions about entities. For example, it can then, with some additional help, answer questions like you've seen in Watson. So there is, again, a tool that has been around for quite a while, and this is called DBpedia Spotlight. What DBpedia Spotlight is doing, it has kind of an integrated workflow. First, it goes through the natural language document and tries to spot terms that appear there. Looking at this example here, it will try to find possible candidates, like tree as a possible candidate. It will spot in the text that it could match to the graph. This is called a surface form, because that's how it appears in the natural language document. And the surface form can be different from the deep form, which is what you see in the graph itself. So that's the first part. Then among all the different candidates, the different URIs, it will select some of them. It will try to do a disambiguation, and that's the important step for avoiding problems. Here, if you go wrong in this step, then you have a problem later on if you do any kind of processing, reasoning, or question answering. So that's the disambiguation step. And then finally, you can filter the answers. So this tool also has an online demo. I hope it is online right now, because that's the next task on the worksheet. Try out the tool on basically anything you like and see how well it does with matching and disambiguating terms to entries to URIs in DBpedia, and play around a bit with the various settings that you can use. Have fun with that, and I'll see you back later.